So as far as protecting the plants, the row cover is really a great way. It's very quick, again, not very expensive. And there's 3 different grades of this cover. What you want is a medium grade, so it actually does a good job at protecting against cold. I'm going to lay it right on top of the bed. We'll cut it to size, but we have bags here, and actually what happens here is the shoulder is a great place for it because it doesn't grow anything. I am using, in this case, tensile wire, pretty heavy gauge, which can be bendable, so you can actually create different widths with it to fit your bed. The last step will be to cover over the arches and pretty much guarantee that those plants will be maybe having a little bit of a cold time at first, but eventually moving into late March we'll be really happy and grow to be beautiful plants to feed ourselves with.